Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my new vlog.
So hi everyone, it's me Sabiksha. Welcome to my new vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna take you all with me to the real morgue. Yes, after coming to third year, we have seen our first OT, and today is the day we are going to see our first autopsy. So today started like any other day in the forensic medicine. We were told that we are going to morgue. So I'm a student of a Gazi Medical College. It's private college, so here is no authorized morgue. So we have to go another government college which have an authorized morgue. So we are going to Khulna Medical College, which is a government college and also a hospital, which is like 10 to 15 minutes distance from here. If you are a non-medical, so let me tell you what is autopsy and why it is done. In a simple language, autopsy is done to find out the cause and nature of the death. For this, we're gonna take some organ from that dead body. By hearing this, it is scary. Then imagine we are going to see live autopsy. It is also known as a post-mortem. Let me tell you something first. We can't post that video or procedure in our social media, so I'm just gonna share my real experience. I was nervous, excited, and a little scared. I have read about autopsy in books, but seeing it in real life is a completely different experience. By saying this, we have finally reached our location. Those who got this seat in this government college are so lucky. Why? Let me tell you the reason first. Actually, we are under the BMTC, which is a Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. In our forensic medicine curriculum, there are 10 days for the autopsy. Not just only the autopsy. Within these 10 days, we have to learn like how we deal with the police constable, how we will deal with the court. Because if we are going to carry our profession in this, then we need to learn every basic step. We didn't get this chance because our autopsy was only for 2 days. So within these 2 days, it was not possible to learn this. Who are in this college are so lucky. Not only for this, they are so lucky for everything. The hospital was so big. The classes were so big. The teachers were more experienced. There was not only the Bangladeshi student. There was from the Bhutan also. I had a little conversation. There was only 2 from Bhutan. So you can't even imagine like there are so many people here like from a different country. This was our day 1, so we had no idea that what's going to be. We went to class there. We had no idea that where we are going, so we were just following everyone. So we finally sat down there, and after some time, teachers from this college came and introduced himself, and we also introduced ourselves. He teaches us like what we need to learn from this, and we also learned the new term like OCC. Went there and we take a history from that victim. 2 cases of the domestic violence. 1 case was like sexual offense. We were so unlucky that this one was our day 1 and we couldn't get to see the autopsy because there was no body there. Without seeing the autopsy, we went back to our college. We were so excited, but there was nothing, so we went back and we waited for day 2. So hi everyone, this one was our day 2. So what happened yesterday was like there was no any cases to do autopsy, but sir got the information that there was an unknown body, then we can do autopsy, but the procedures like documents and all were not done, so sir couldn't perform that one. It was our last day, so we again went to the Khulna Medical College like yesterday. Today we were so excited because there was definitely some cases, so we can see.
What the dog doing?
Finally, we have reached there. Again, we went to the same way and we went to the same classes. I think this video will be not enough, so I'm gonna share my experience from here. We watched each and every steps, inspection of the heart, brain, liver, kidney, stomach, everything. For medical student, it was so fascinating. It made everything we have learned in the book come alive. It's like forensic medicine isn't just about the solving crimes, it's about telling the untold story of the person's last moment. This experience made me realize how deeply the medicine connects to each every aspect of our life and death. It was sad, humbling, but also very powerful. Now I understand why respect for the dead is so important in our field. After some time, sir had finally arrived. He showed us some death certificate and challan, and we went to the morgue finally. Literally, I was so excited to see that one because it was my first experience. After coming to third year, we have seen so much thing. Like we get to experience a lot of things, and of course, it was a new for us. Every time learning new thing, I get so excited. So finally, we have reached the morgue. We can't make the video, so I can't show you all. But here are some clips. It is not against the law. This one was the autopsy hall. Let me tell you a real thing. After entering into to the autopsy, the smell hit first. A strong mix of a disinfectant and something I can't even describe. The body was already there. I was all the incision, the skull opened and the organs. I'll be honest, my heart was racing. There was literally a human body. Actually, I wasn't scared of the body. I was scared of how real it all felt. I wasn't just a mannequin, but that was someone's brother, someone's dad. That real person. And after seeing all this, we clicked some photos and we went back to our hostel. Wow, autopsy देख के आ गए हम, बुक में पढ़ गए. Kida, how was your experience? Okay. It was so good.
No, it's
How was your experience? How do you feel? By seeing all this? Very good.
Nice. Excellent.
That's it for today's vlog. If you found this video interesting, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more medical school experience. In this vlog, I try to share my experience in real life. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Bye, Tamanna. Bye, Ankita. Bye.